Hello everyone, and well, welcome to my first colour therapy. Slightly different video today, based on the fact that this is to some extent, I guess, a walk around, but unfortunately, for those that love to sort of see, I don't know, me doing them and finding little surprises, that's not going to be the case today. The reason by that is because this car was delivered whilst I was away for work, and it's subsequently come to my father's address where he's already started doing some work on it. So we've already got some progress, but I thought I'd walk around the car with you anyway, just to give you a bit of an idea of what we've got to achieve to get this on the road. So as you know, this was one for about 1800, bit more than I'd have liked to have spent, but it's a Cat N, it's about 40,000 miles on the clock, it's a colour therapy. If you don't really know that much about cars or Fiat 500s, this is you've got three kind of models really with the 500. You have a pop, a therapy and a lounge. Oh, and then you got like sport, but let's just concentrate on the three. You got pop, which is the basic, therapy, which is a step up from the pop, and then lounge. So lounge will come with chrome trim, alloy wheels, air conditioning, Bluetooth. The pop comes with none of that. It is literally just the car. There's no aircon, there's no nothing. It is your as basic as car as you can buy. And the therapy, which they've introduced, is in essence the pop, but with air conditioning. That's pretty much it. And then they've done some little tweaks on the colours, but we'll go through that. So the front was the problem. Driver's side, as you can see, the wing has already been removed and already got another wing ready to be bolted down, so it's loose at the moment, as you can see. We obviously lost this whole bumper here. We're never going to get that back. We can get some trim off it, but yeah, it's a shame that, but yeah, that's what's going to happen. And then in here we've got a tiny bit of a problem here. As you can see, this has slightly been pushed back here, the air conditioning thing. I'm hoping there's no holes in that and that it should run, but I haven't tested the aircon to work out whether or not it is blowing cold. So yeah, but other than that, all the legs, I mean, it's a Cat N, so all the legs are fine. And yeah, the bonnet I was hoping was fine. I'm not 100%, well, I know it's not 100%, and I'm hoping that we can sort this out. But you can see here, it's got paint, and then we've got what looks to be a very minor dink here. Until I've got the headlight on and everything is on, then I'll work out whether or not I need to get a new bonnet, or whether or not that will sit right. I'm not 100% sure at the moment. And then it's been scratched all the way up the top here. Not really sure what's gone on there, but might be able to polish that out. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to stop this video because I think I've got a delivery coming. So I will get back to you in a minute and we'll carry on with the rest of the car. Right, so that drives off. That was the slam panel for the 1 Series. So where were we? So I wonder, I'm not 100% sure yet on this bonnet, but you can see, okay, this is not in place yet, but you can see, I'm not sure what's gone on. It might, I don't know if it's been pushed back or not, I'm really not sure, but that's a work in progress on the bonnet until everything is on, and then work out what we're going to do. And new brake pads have already gone on. They were low, so brake pads are already on. Discs are fine. And then going down here, tends to be okay. Then we come to this, which I've somehow completely missed in the pictures. So we've got this lovely white scratch. I say white scratch, I don't know why I call it white. It's gone. You can run your finger over that and it slightly catches. And then this is all dented. So this is gone. There's a dent here. And the paint's gone down here. It's ever so slightly started to rust. So I'm potentially going to have to try and do some pulling here. I really don't want to do some filling and painting, but we might have to. I don't know if you can see that from the angle. Then from the rear, again, no real issues. And then I noticed this yesterday, right underneath here we've got this, that I think is probably going to need repainting. That's possibly scuffed too much, but it's down the bottom, so it's not too bad. I can paint that away. Then down this side, got where they've tried to, God knows what they've tried to do here, God knows what colour. So I might give that a respray, not 100% sure on that. And then it just needs polishing because we've got marks on here, up here as well. It's not exactly had the best life, I'm going to be honest with you. It's just received like scrapes and stuff, like it's gone through bushes. But that is, so that's the, yeah, and we've got this here. You see, look, it's just, I don't know if you can see it in the light, it's just not, the paintwork is just not in great condition at all. So tyres are very hit and miss. They're all cheap, and I think they're all pretty much different brands. Nexon is this side. Let me just check this one. I don't even think this is a Nexon. No, it's a Goodyear. Great. Right, inside. So inside, as you can see, it's basic. It's got no steering wheel controls, and we've got this sort of, say, slightly funky gear stick, which is color coded, and then you've got the aircon where you start stop. This is broken, so I need to change that. And other than that, it's your pretty standard 500 interior. I think all of these have gone through and there was nothing of note. However, see if I can do it from this side, bear with me. Got to mind that I don't smack that. So from this side, this was found underneath the passenger seat, but unfortunately, other than a few little details about the delivery, it's only got the manual, and it's got, I think it's got the as I say, the code for the radio, and I think in here as well, if I'm not mistaken, it's got a CD manual, and it's got a warranty book, which is basically like the, what do you want to call it, the, oh, it's gone for me, the you know, the handover when you buy it from new. And then the CD in the, is this, I don't know who it is, because, oh, is it? No, if anyone, you can guess what that is, you can have it, but cars, I have no idea what album that is. So that is going to be your 500 therapy. The speedo appears to work fine, no issues there. So hopefully might be done reasonably quick, and we can get it on the routine. I think this one, get them to shut up a minute. Why workmen have to talk so loud, I've got no idea. This is probably going to need an MOT, to be fair. And this tyre here is not exactly got the most amount of tread left. So I'm trying to keep the cost down on this one as much as possible, based on just how much it's cost me in the first place. But anyway, that is going to be the car, and that is going to be the end of this video. I'm not sure really, given how much I've spent, whether or not I've got going to get the best deal out of this one. But it might scrub up well. Just the joys of getting dark coloured cars, which just show up everything. But yeah, so that's going to be a very short video on the 2014 therapy, and we'll be back to do some seat cleaning and probably start having a go at this down here on the quarter panel, and obviously get this all sorted as well. So yeah, until next time, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch up with you all again very, very soon.